Hello, my name is Chris Kozup. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer of Aruba as part of Hewlett-Packard Enterprise.
So, when you brand your product out there in the market, if we bar the sophistication, and the technology part of it, all the customers want to see from the product is its simplicity,
sure,
as we call it. So if you have to state, how simple is Aruba for a customer? What would you answer me?
Well, actually, I would say simplicity in dealing with Aruba extends not just from a technology perspective, but also into how we do business as a company, right? So from a technology perspective, we invest a lot in latest capabilities like AI and machine learning, ultimately to help drive automation. But automation, it's critical to understand, is really automation on the administrator's terms, right? In other words, we need to make sure that the automation that we're driving for our customers, that they have control, that they're in the driver's seat, directing how that ultimately is going to make things more simple for them. But the other way beyond just technology, as I mentioned, is also ease of doing business from a simplicity perspective. One of the things that Aruba offers as part of Hewlett-Packard Enterprise is really the ability to have consumption of technology how the customer would like to. So if they're interested in acquiring from a CapEx perspective and purchasing on-premise equipment, they can do that. Or if they're looking for more flexible options that are more OpEx based, they can look at as-a-service types of offerings as well. So we look at this really holistically across our offer about how easy it is to do business with us as an entity, how easy our technology can make their lives, and bring that all together to make sure that ultimately we're thinking about the customer simplicity as a priority.
And as you are the key driver for various key geographies, what kind of disparity have you been seeing? If I have to compare this region with its European or other global counterparts,
sure,
what kind of similarities or differences are there?
Yeah, well, I always consider the Middle East and coming to GITEX in particular a great example of the importance that technology plays in this region. I would say one thing that we have noticed actually an increased interest this year is around the interest in cloud. Now, cloud for Aruba is at the heart of our go-forward strategy. All the services and software capabilities that we will deliver will be cloud-enabled, whether that be in a public cloud or whether it be on-prem in a private, virtual private cloud. But what we have noticed here at the show this year is a lot more interest from the regional community of customers and partners in how cloud can help them drive their business strategy forward. And so we're very excited about that because we believe that's in alignment with our mindset and our future direction. So that's a great example of, I think, where the region is kind of crafting its own path and starting to stand out from some of the other regions.
So what can Aruba's customers and partners expect from you in 2020 since it's so much talked about here in this region?
Yeah, I mean, a lot of great things actually. First of all, we see a lot of new technology coming down and will be released. So we have a lot of exciting roadmap enhancements into our portfolio. And the focus again is really an end-to-end architectural view, right? And so this will be a key, 2020 will be a key year for that. So a lot of, we'll continue to innovate in best-of-breed categories within our product portfolio, but then make sure that we continue that simplicity from a customer perspective. So that's going to be our primary focus in 2020, and then making sure that we translate that into each vertical segment. And we expect certainly hospitality, healthcare, retail, government, a lot of the smart city initiatives here across the Middle East in general as being a lot of the primary areas of continued growth and innovation.
Thank you so much, Chris, for being with us today.
Absolutely.
I wish you all the best.
Thanks for your time. Appreciate it.